Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to save all the browser windows with their tabs and groups for later just in one click, and then how to restore them quickly. Let's start. I've already pre-created some browser windows and added the pinned tabs to them, a couple of tab groups, and just individual tabs. So let's get back to our main window. In order to save the tabs, I need to open the extension pop-up and click Save for Later. Now the tabs have been saved. Let's go to the Save Tabs menu, and here we see a list of snapshots. Snapshot includes all the browser windows with the tabs and tab groups. Snapshot name has been generated automatically, but you can change it if you want. I will show you soon how. So from here, I can restore the full snapshot. Before that, let's just click the existing windows and click Restore. As you can see, all the previously existed windows have been restored, and you can notice that the position of the windows has been preserved, and the sizes of the windows preserved as well. So let's close this one for now. And in order to see the snapshot details, I just need to click on it. And here we can see all of the windows with their data. So we see a list of pinned tabs, tab groups with all their tabs, and the individual tabs as well. So from here, I can simply open the links individually, just like that. Also, if I want to restore the whole window, there is a special button for it. When you click on it, the window with all the tabs is restored. Let's close it for now. So you can basically restore any window if you want this way. Also, there is an ability to restore the different categories separately. So if you want to restore just the pinned tabs, there is a special button. When you hover over it, click Restore, and the pinned tabs are restored in the current window. Same for the groups. It's also possible to restore all the groups, and there is ability to restore individual group like this. And also you can restore all the other tabs the same way. So tabs have been restored, and they have been grouped partially because of the existing rule. So let's move further, and yeah, here we also can change the name for the snapshot, like snapshot for work, for example, and click Save button. And if you want to see the URLs, which respective URLs for each of the tab, there is a checkbox, and once you click on it, you can see all the URLs for each tab in each window, like this. Let's get back to the list of snapshots. So it is possible to delete a snapshot. Just clicking the button, it is possible to delete all of them if you have lots of them gathered. So, and one more thing is about the incognito windows. By default, incognito windows will not be restored. In order to in order to restore the incognito windows, you have to allow the access for the extension. Let's go to the Manage Extensions, and you need to go to the details, and here there is a allow in incognito switcher. Once you enable it, the extension will be able to access the incognito window and restore them as well. Let's test it. So if I open the incognito window and navigate to some page, for example, let's open Wikipedia and x.com, for example. Yeah, I will restart it for now. Let's, for example, close this one and place them like this. Okay, I hit Save for Later button, navigate to the Save tabs. So this is the latest snapshot, and now you can see the incognito window as well with a special icon, so you can differentiate it. And here we have this Wikipedia and X tabs. They have been captured. The last thing I would like to mention is that all the snapshots stored locally in your browser storage. So the extension doesn't transmit any of this data to its server, ensuring your information remains private and secure. That's it. Thanks for watching.